if you want it.
Haitian All-StarZ.
Got it. From the tri-state to the islands, to the rest of the world and back.
Get it on.
Everybody.
Got you covered.
Haitian All-StarZ.
Wow, that's crazy.
Crazy.
And then you reached out to me and told me about your website, Cornbread and Cremas.
Yeah.
So tell our listeners exactly what the website is about, and how you and Dina came about with the website.
Okay, well, Dean and I go way back, and we're both Haitian American, meaning that our parents are Haitian, but we were born here.
Yes.
And it's such an interesting experience being Haitian American. And so there's so many commonalities between us and our families, and now that we're older and we're married to non-Haitians, we were talking about...
Your husband is from where?
He's from here, from America. He's American. And her husband is Trini.
In Trini, okay, wow.
And so we were talking about how we pass down these Haitian values and lessons that we've learned to our children, and some of the stuff is lost, and some we just thought that was interesting too, and we have so many other Haitian American friends, and we thought it would be nice to document all of that.
Now, were you born in Haiti?
No, I was born in Brooklyn, like all Haitian Americans.
It's all good, it's all good, you know? It's all good. I mean, we're all still Haitian.
Exactly.
You know what I mean? Because if you grew up Haitian, you're speaking the language, you're listening to the language, you're eating the food, you're going to the baptisms, you're going to the weddings, you're
the
going
people
to...
who raised me are Haitian, my blood is Haitian.
Absolutely.
So,
Absolutely.
You know what a voisine is?
absolutely.
Yeah.
You know, spouses of people who have half Haitian children, and then we even have first generation anything that relates to the blogs. Like one of our blogs, one of the blog posts, we had a first generation Italian American who was able to relate to, you know, just kind of the culture being passed down and just different things. I think it was the to death. Her experience was similar. So it's really nice that we can reach such a broad audience.
Yeah, I find that, you know, growing up Haitian, you have a lot of friends that are... One of my best friends growing up was Diane. And although, you know, the West Indian cultures are very similar, you know, you have the differences in food, of course, the language, their version of their language and their patois, their dialect. But you find that the commonalities are so common. And a lot of, and I know everybody can relate, all my Haitians are our culture, and that's why we're here.
Yes.
We're spreading our culture to the masses, and, you know, once again, big shout out to Miss Lily's and
Haitian All-StarZ.